Princess Vanna and Prince Anno here. You know, I just had a great time there with Jacob. That's why we spent time there.
Yes, Olivia. You asked me that 1,000 times.
Nobody messes with the goblin because I still with Elabella. That Elabella's never gone too well, right, Elabella? Please, Josh, you me. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I am not. Yes, you are. I guess I'm getting really a bad feeling that happened. Yeah, you should have been there. You don't know what it is. You're not very funny, Amari. Okay, boys. Just settle down and let Olivia do this. I guess I have something there for a story to tell. But not just any story, but I guess it's gonna be a bummer.
Yeah, I wondered that could happen.
And anyways, isn't that Princess Vanna and Prince Anno okay with it? Oh, it's Prince V and P O. It's the princess and the prince. Hello there.
Oh, one time no see.
Oh, hey guys. I guess there's something a hard time. What's wrong, sweetie? I think I have these that I if I got and I have and now I got and I uh oh no, Prince Arno has got the hiccups. Now what do we do? I don't know about that. I think I have the hiccups. Hey, don't worry. I guess I'm gonna have to help you so we can make you. Here, I got this. Here, try something. Try to breathe in to get rid of the hiccups. Okay, now breathe in. I think it got out. Oh no, it didn't work. Yeah, I have something for you. Hey, I dared you to try to spin and try it at least 3 times. Oh no, it's not working. Now what am I gonna do? The hiccups are not working. Try to figure this out. Okay. Hey, I got a better idea. Try to give him a drink of water. Oh yeah, that's a better idea. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's go. Are you sure about this? Of course it will happen there. And now it's gonna turn on the water. Hey, you villager, turn on the water.
Okay. So now we turn on the water.
Where's the water? Ah! Ah! Ah, water! Water! This is not good! This is not good! Ah! See? I told you you need a drink of water.
Come on, get a drink of water.
Yeah.
You'll be all feel better.
Yeah, come on, get a drink of water. Yeah, come on, drink of water. Ah! Please, somebody make it stop. Hey, no, stop. You're making Prince almost wet. Ah, somebody make it stop. No, he's got the hiccups and now we're trying to make him feel better. Oh no, I better tell Lydia.
All right. What is going on here? Yeah, what's going on?
Yeah, what are you doing this? Hey, look, it's that thing, it's stuffing in his mouth. Ew, gross. Hey, Olivia, we're trying to get rid of the hiccups, but they're trying to fill up the water and it's stuffing in his mouth. And now they couldn't control it. That is not a way how to deal with hiccups. Yeah, that's odd. The water's gone.
Yeah, who turned it off?
Villagers. That is not how you wait to their that's a cure for hiccups. The hose don't work to spray it. You're supposed to give him a cup and put him in the water in it so he can drink it, man. Come on, villagers.
Oops, we just made quite a clearly mistake.
Yeah, I'm very sorry. Oh, I can't believe I got all dried up from the wet. Now how am I gonna get rid of these hiccups?
Are you okay, Prince Anno? What's wrong? You got the hiccups.
Yeah, I sure have hiccups. Now how am I gonna get rid of them now? Look, the doorbell. Come on, Anno.
Okay.
Hello? Oh my gosh.
Hello. What time to see?
What is that ugly creature? Huh? Wow. I didn't know you become a monster.
Well, I just giving you there. That's what I figured the sound.
Are you gonna hurt us? Are you a monster?
No, I am not a monster. I am...
Tada!
Tada! You scared me, and now...
Huh?
Hey! My hiccups are gone!
Wow! Tutter, you become a monster? And now you have grown?
Well, at least I'm so ashamed of this. That's why I'm getting really fed up used to it.
Well, in that case, thanks, Tada. Thanks, Tada, for getting rid of me for the hiccups.
Yeah, now he feels much better.
Haha, my pleasure. That's why we figured this out.
That is the best thing, Tutter. You're the best bat that ever that you had.
Well, in that case...
Kids, do never get hiccups, and don't get any shame of this. It's gonna be really a bad hiccups. Well, in case, that thing could have got rid of my hiccups.
Yeah, you said it. Well, if you say so.